Hi, my lovely people. How are you? Exclusively today, I received the soft African stay, Nomcebo Zikode, author, composer, performer of the famous song Jérusalema, seen at more than 400 million on YouTube. You are welcome. Mes chers amis, bonjour. Aujourd'hui, en exclusivité, je reçois pour vous la star sud-africaine Nomcebo Zikode, auteur, interprète, compositeur de la célèbre chanson Jérusalema. Je vous souhaite à tous la bienvenue.
Your successful song, Jérusalema, conquered the world. Where does your inspiration come from?
I'm so happy that people loved Jérusalema the way they do. I really appreciate that. I wrote Jérusalema at the time because I was not in a happy mood. My things were not doing well. But then I believe that whenever I'm writing music, it touches people's hearts, and I'm so happy that the message that I was trying to send through, it did get to people. So yeah, I'm so happy.
There's a problem between Master KG and you about this song. What's going on?
I won't really say there's a problem because I don't have a problem with him. And I don't know why you asking me that question. Maybe it was because of he went and sing with Zanda Zaguza. I don't know why is that. So I don't know for now. Like I can't really say much about it. I only know that I'm good with him. Yeah, that's all I know.
La célèbre chanteuse Nomcebo est en conflit de droit d'auteur avec son beatmaker Master KG qui a enregistré la chanson Jérusalema en son nom et qui n'hésite pas à faire prester d'autres personnes sur ce son. Un bicéphalisme qui crée la confusion au niveau des mélomanes. Évidemment, elle compte se battre sur le plan juridique pour être rétablie dans ses droits.
Thank you so much for that question, but should I be a problem? I would discuss that with my lawyer. I don't think it's a good idea to discuss it now with anyone. Yeah, thank you. Right now, guys, I'm busy preparing for my next album. We all know that my first album did very, very, very well. As we speak, I'm nominated at the Summers South African Music Awards 6 times. I'm hoping that I will come back with those awards. Please do pray for me, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm busy with, and also I'm busy with my foundation, Nomcebo Zikode Foundation. I'm busy with the international features, and again, I'm touring the world. I'm hoping that your country is next.
À partir du 3 juillet 2021, Nomcebo sera en tournée mondiale. Alors pour le booking, vous pouvez joindre Florent Shelby au Danemark. Florent Shelby qui est General Manager de Shelby Productions au 00 45 91 40 45 41. Quant à moi, je vous retrouve très très bientôt. I love you too much. God bless you. Bye bye. Tchuss.